Hello and welcome to our channel Health Corner. Before start watching this video, please note that if you are looking for the world's best health products such as weight loss and flat belly products, workout protein shakes and diabetes control products, to buy that products, please click on the links in the description for the best price.
The human body uses fat as a fuel source, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Fat also has many other important functions in the body, and a moderate amount is needed in the diet for good health. When it comes to diet, fats get a bad reputation, but not all fats are created equal. Some fats are better for you than others and may even help to promote good health. Two types of fats, saturated fat and trans fat. Let's talk about saturated fat first. Most saturated fats are animal fats. They are found in high-fat meats and dairy products. Fatty cuts of beef, pork, dark chicken meat, poultry skin and lamb are the sources of fat. High-fat dairy foods like whole milk, butter, cheese, sour cream, and ice cream are the sources of saturated fat as well. Eating too much saturated fat can increase blood cholesterol levels and LDL, that is known as bad cholesterol levels. Let's move to the trans fat. Trans fat is the short form of trans fatty acids. Trans fat appears in foods that contain partially hydrogenated vegetable oils. These are the worst fats for you. You might find trans fat in fried foods like French fries, donuts, deep-fried fast foods. Margarinen and vegetable shortening in that list as well. Baked goods like cookies, cakes, pastries also contains trans fat. Like saturated fat, trans fat can raise LDL, that is bad cholesterol, but trans fat can also suppress HDL cholesterol levels, that known as a good cholesterol. If we talk about the calories, there are 9 calories in each gram of fat. And it will conclude our video. Thank you. If you like this video, please press the like and share button. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And just in case if you are unhappy with this video, then please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.